bought this saw pretty much just for fun. I have other saws that work and they're a lot better quality than this one, but it was only $50. So P3416 34cc 16-inch. The saw hasn't ran in 2 or 3 years. See if I can get it running. That's the first step. I'm gonna go get some fresh fuel, put some in, and see if I can get it started. Let's go fire this thing up. On, full choke. All right, now half choke. Started all right. I'll just let it warm up now, I guess. It's running pretty good actually. So I'm just gonna go sharpen up the chain and then I'm gonna do a cutting test. Chain instantly came loose. Trying to make this a little bit more oval so it'll line up with that. Alright, so here's what I got. Well, that looks absolutely ridiculous and very poorly put together. Let's see how it works. Well, she's definitely louder. We'll see if it runs any better. Yeah, we'll give her a whirl in the wood there maybe tomorrow. But let's see if I can get some dogs on this thing. I was able to get those dogs jimmy rigged on there. I'm actually kind of excited to test this thing out. It would be kind of cool to try to find a way to make a full wrap handle too. So here's my very sad attempt at a full wrap handle. I'm going to throw out all my other saws and just use this one. Alright, so we got a pipe, dogs, and a full wrap handle. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Well, the saw is definitely a lot louder. It's just a fun little project. I don't know how much I'm actually going to use this saw. I might just put it back to the way it was and keep it as a backup in the shed. That's the budget poulan chainsaw build. I'll see you guys next time.